Teacher Aya Online Tutor.
Hello children! I'm Teacher Aya, your online tutor. Are you ready for another reading lesson? Let's start.
My little sister is playing guitar. Again. My little sister is playing guitar. Your turn to read, children. I will visit my dentist tomorrow. Again. I will visit my dentist tomorrow. Your turn to read, children. I will help my mother in washing the dishes. Again. I will help my mother in washing the dishes. Your turn to read, children. Mama is cooking pancakes and hot dogs. Again. Mama is cooking pancakes and hot dogs. Your turn to read, children. The flowers bloom every morning. Again. The flowers bloom every morning. Your turn to read, children. We pray before we eat our meal. Again. We pray before we eat our meal. Your turn to read, children. The sun is shining brightly. Again. The sun is shining brightly. Your turn to read, children. The cloud looks like cotton candy. Again. The cloud looks like cotton candy. Your turn to read, children. I will join the singing contest next month. Again, I will join the singing contest next month. Your turn to read, children. I got a perfect score on our quiz. Again, I got a perfect score on our quiz. Your turn to read, children. The spider is making a web. Again, the spider is making a web. Your turn to read, children. We will go to the mall on Sunday. Again, we will go to the mall on Sunday. Your turn to read, children.
Great job, children! Now, let's try to read the sentences together. Are you ready? Let's start.
My little sister is playing guitar. I will visit my dentist tomorrow. I will help my mother in washing the dishes. Mama is cooking pancakes and hot dogs. The flowers bloom every morning. We pray before we eat our meal. The sun is shining brightly. The cloud looks like cotton candy. I will join the singing contest next month. I got a perfect score on our quiz. The spider is making a web. We will go to the mall on Sunday.
Great job, children! Remember, always practice reading so you can be a good and fast reader. Also, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button for you to be updated in every new lessons. You can also share this video to your friends and classmates. Thank you for listening, children. See you in our next lessons.